Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Today we've got a nice 2006 Bobcat T190 compact track loader. We're looking at 2577 on the hours. This is a great machine, one owner, vertical lift, and a high lift as well. 118 to the hinge pins, that's just shy of 10 feet. It is a high flow, gold package, power bob attach, joystick machine. It's also keyless, heat and air conditioning. Really clean as well. It doesn't look like it's been running the salt. There's your power bob attach, your high flow. So we've got 26 gallons per minute on this machine. You've also got your 7-pin electrical hookup to power your Bobcat attachments. If you've got a snow blower, stump grinder, you know, pretty much anything's going to run on this machine. Also a nice machine with a brush cap, because it's got that AC, keep it closed up. Here's our 2006 model year. This is a K series. Kubota diesel power. This one is going to run at 66 horsepower. We'll give it a full service before it heads out. See, the rear tailgate's in nice shape. You know, just a few little paint scratches on it. All in all, really nice condition. Look how clean the booms are. Get inside and give you a look. $25.77.8 on the hours. You know, we're ready to go ahead and put in our password. Think about that. No one's going to take your machine on you. You can select between the ISO and the H pattern on the joysticks. There's our high flow. Got the foot throttle and also the hand throttle. Nice tight machine. And then of course you got the float position. Nice gentle set down. It is a single speed machine. Heat with air conditioning. That time will come up all too soon, won't it? And of course power bob attach. Clean cab. Don't see them this nice that often. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call on this 2006 T190 K Series. Gold package. We've got 2577 on the hours. It is a one owner joystick machine, heat air, high flow, 26 gallon a minute, 66 horse Kubota diesel. Nice reach with just shy of 10 feet. You can load your trucks with this one. And we can also move a lot of dirt with that track system. And nice tracks they are with good sprockets and undercarriage. Keyless, 7-pin. Again, heat and air. Give Jeff a call. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Call me direct, 715-781-3940. Again, Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.